Getaway.
Hey, pull
Studio.
up,
Proper.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another freaking video. It's your girl, no. But anyways, y'all, welcome back to my channel. For all the new people, thank you for taking time out of your day to come watch me, come see me. If you watch a few little seconds, whatever, thank you for taking time out of your day. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, check your girl out for all my old viewers. Thank you guys for coming back again, because like in the club we be vibing. But yeah, like, thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Ta-da! Now I'm just currently walking to Wells Fargo. I'm tired as hell, y'all. And I don't even know why I didn't pee when I was at Starbucks. I'm really walking real slow because they open at 9 and it's like 8:57. So I'm really trying to walk as slow as I can. I'm really like up the street from it. You know, downtown Chicago. Guys, so I'm done getting ready. Damn. Outfit of the day. Okay. Okay, guys. It's on the line. It's at the bus stop. Waiting on the bus. It's like 10 minutes, if I'm not mistaken. Gotta take 2 buses to get there. You got his fat head ass, black ass.
That little ass, damn, that camera look good as hell.
Right, you just gonna talk shit. I'm screaming. But I'm gonna talk to y'all either maybe on the bus. Okay, so we missed the bus, right? Because of the bus driver. Why the fuck the bitch land the fucking brakes? Like, she's trying to throw us off the fucking bus. What the fuck? But we waiting on the Uber. But you gonna cover the whole goddamn...
Hey, man, fuck the camera. Hey, y'all see, man, look.
Why would you do it?
We outside. What she saying in her song?
We finally made it, child. Okay. Okay, so I did a terrible job. I didn't vlog at all. I was just too thirsty to get the cops, too focused on getting my car. But I'm now on my car X. I'm finna get some oil, get an oil change. And then I'm really, you know, it's a used car, so let's be for real. I'm finna see if there's anything really wrong with it, see what I need to fix, you know, and then have this looking like a brand new car because, but no, for real, y'all. I feel so proud of myself. Like these, I was slave. And then I get my hair done. Like, look at me, y'all. Like, I want y'all to see me with a wig, you feel me? Oh, here on big. Come on. I need to hide it a little bit. Let me put some wig on, baby. What else? But yeah, got some motherfucking covers. So, I don't know how to put it. Okay, cool. Okay. Oh, damn. Okay. Maybe I need to just. Just don't move because of Kyle. What the fuck? See, that's why I get talk shit. What the fuck kind of shit is that? Done doing all the extras. Picking up my glasses. Family. Feel like a motherfucking nerd, y'all. I feel complete. So now I got my glasses. This nigga knocked out. Sleep. Okay. Well, we finna go get up with my friend Kaya. She at work. We gonna see how we get there. So your girl in Walmart. It's always something I can't even drive. I'm struggling. Alright. How people be. I was gonna say something else, but yeah, he just gonna stop right now. No, nobody stuff. I gotta grab some cornbread. But I'm first gonna go to the electronics. So I can see what they got. I think I'm gonna grab it. What else they got? We got too much of nothing right now. What the fuck is this? Oh. Charger, I guess. Yeah, they ain't really got shit. Shit, now I'm back in this beach, cooking. I gotta, as soon as I put the stuff in the oven, I'm definitely finna. They talking about hit and run traffic on West Madison. Good thing we in the car. I said, in the house. What else finna say? Yeah, I gotta unbox, as soon as I put everything in the oven, but unbox this nail shit, and then we're gonna go from there, y'all. And I got the light. In the club, we be vibing. Pretty bitch, and you know I'll be outside with. What's up, guys? So, we got hella packages. Hella. Alright, so I'm already gonna do the ones that I open. Because I'm a thirst bucket. So this is one of them. This is the whole nail life thing, basically. Let me see if I can open it. Struggling. Oh, damn. So, okay, so they did it all weird and wonky and shit. So it's like this. I wish I could really show y'all. You know, like, they just threw the stuff in there, basically. Like, this the gel polish. What else? This the foot thing, you feel me, when I'm doing the nails. You know, we got some of this. Basically, just like a whole tech starter, you feel me? So, what else? I also opened this already. This is just like the foot thing. And like, just all the extra parts, you know? So, yeah, those two already open. So, what y'all gonna do? The next big one? Alright. Okay, this one is all nail polish. I don't know, y'all can't really see it. So this nail polish. This is UV LED. This purple. White. Just basically a whole bunch of nail polish. Okay, we're gonna do a small one. They some lazy ass people, okay? This is the foot scrubber, you know? Get it up, motherfucking pull that scrub. Get it up! Yeah, I didn't seem like a lot. Look at this small one right here. Childish. What is this? Y'all, I'm struggling. I should have bought a knife. I could have did that. Why am I like I'm weak? Really? This is childish as hell. Why would they do this, y'all? What is it? Like a ring? I didn't order no ring glasses in this. And then it's supposed to be like, what, fragile or something? Oh, I'm dumb. I know what this is, y'all. I know exactly what this is. Okay, I see why they did all that. Okay. Look, oh my God, it's so cute. This little... Okay. Okay, I'm dumb. I see why they did all that. We gonna figure this one out later. I'm gonna have to put this up right now. Let's do the last big one. What's even in here? It's light as hell. They just sneak something in here. What's this? This is... Oh, that's my little brusher, y'all. Oh, so cute. No, I'm just joking. It's so cute. Okay. Now what's this? We got 2 more left. Oh. Yes, your girl done got her some. Huh? Yes. So now, for all y'all toes, all y'all fingernails, for the people that can't keep their fingers separated. Boom, boom, shakalaka, boom, shakalaka, boom, shakalaka, boom, boom, boom. Okay. And it's 2 more. It's 2 more for this one. That's another one, and that's it. What is this? Okay, we're gonna open the smallest one. Struggling is crazy. Oh, okay. This like the nail thing, the magnet. Okay. Oh, these are long nails. Okay, so this must be the duck nails. What's this? I don't even know what this is, y'all. Oh, like these, like, you know, for the designs and stuff. Okay. Okay. But we got the motherfucking duck nails, motherfucker. We got the duck nails, motherfucker. So yeah. Let's see it. Literally. Oh, wait, hold on. Oh. Alright. What was I about? Oh. Thank y'all for watching my channel. Let's watch my channel. Okay, thank you guys for like comment, watching, like, comment, and subscribe what y'all want to see. You know, see y'all in the next video. And you know, I'm posting a nail video coming up soon. I gotta get me some brushes. But I hope y'all like my video. Toodaloo.
I'm saying, it's like my getaway.
Hey, pull up, Lamb.
Proper